Hey, Karen, do you even know how to change a tire?
Nope, and my name's not Karen, but I do have a great new listing.
Forget the tire. This home sits on a corner lot, giving you over 2,400 square feet of living space. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and even a powder room for guests.
That's realtor talk for no waiting in line. Check out this primary suite.
Or use one of the 3 bedrooms to hide from your friends wanting free roadside service. With the unfinished basement giving you so much potential.
Or use it as a tire shop. While we may not be roadside assistants,
We are your go-to gals for buying and selling real estate, so give one of us a call. I'm Amber Clem.
and I'm Amanda Downs.
And we are with LPT Realty.